shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for October 28th, 2020. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of red on the board this morning. Really does not come at a surprise. What's crazy is we're always looking for patterns. At least I am. And I am definitely seeing a pattern going back to 2016, right before President Trump got elected. We had a correction. And then the night of the election, if you guys recall, right, the futures went down, Icon bought them, and up we went. Actually, the dark pool was buying before the election. And then we went up. And I'm wondering if that same pattern is going to repeat itself. We literally came right down to this 200 simple moving average, and then the election, and off we went. Will history repeat itself? Well, we are below massive dark pool prints, you guys. Massive, really big. And, again, I've been calling these out for a while. On the SPY, we just went below this biggie. This last biggie, 335.24. Yeah, so it's no surprise that, we're most likely going to move down further. Today, bullish above 335.50, and that is for a retracement trade. If we go above this last dark pool print, we could retrace back up. If not, we're bearish below 333.50, which we just went below. All right, let's go to the Russell. IWM, we're going to be bullish above 156.25 and bear below 155. Yeah, we're kind of just actually below this 50. And we're also below major dark pool prints. This is a Wyckoff distribution pattern. And we have broken down below the ice. Yeah, that's the point of support, according to Wyckoff, and we just pretty much gapped down below it. All right, so bullish above 156.25, bear below 155, major level 155. Let's go to the QQQs. They look like they're holding up the strongest this morning, right? And this is worth noting. Usually the NASDAQ is the last to let it go. Yeah, in corrections. Money keeps flowing there. All the tech stocks have not reported, just really Microsoft so far. We have some big ones coming out on the 29th, tomorrow. So, yeah, that's probably when the NASDAQ will start to move. But today, bullish above 282.50 and bear below 279.25. We just went below that. Or perhaps we'll start going down the hill right now. Let's go to the E-minis quickly. Bull above 33.50. Bear below 33.30. We are headed there now. The NASDAQ futures, bullish above 11,500. Bear below 11,440. We are headed there. Right now, we're right there. Let's go to the oil futures. So oil is, moving down just like seasonality predicts pretty much right at the end of October. Yeah, and we are headed, here's the weekly chart, headed down again. If we break below this trend line here, that's when things will get really ugly. So look for that in the bigger picture. But today in the smaller picture, we'll be bullish above 38.20, bear below 37.75. We just went below that right now. Just bearish for oil. Let's go to gold. Yep, gold unable to hold on. We're going to be bullish above 1902. If we can break above here. And bear below 1895. We just went below that. And I think we just hit quite a few targets. Yep, watch this 1885 level now. That's going to be key. If we don't hold that, we'll most likely go down to S3 for the gold futures. All right, so let's go to the individual stocks. We are going to start with Mr. Softy, Microsoft. So I don't care what the earnings are. I don't care what they're saying. Let's just trade the stock, follow the price action. Not knowing that stuff is going to make you a lot better trader. I'll be bullish above 210. Yep, that'll be retracement territory if we do break above that. If not, look at this. There's just wide open. Yep, kind of Hail Mary right down to that 120 simple moving average. So bear below 208. We are coming down to that right now. Microsoft does like to trade off the $2 increments. Let's go to NEO. NEO was a superstar yesterday. Now it is retracing back down to the 4 EMA. Very popular pattern. Is it going to push up again? Bull above 28.25. And thank you, Paul, for mapping this one out. Bear below 27.50. Yep. Well, if it does move down, it'll most likely be a trade from the 4 EMA down to the 8 EMA. Let's go to American Airlines. This is on the Dark Pool Insights. Been a great short. Hope you guys are in it. If not, there's a day trade today. Bear below 1087. We are there right now. I don't normally pick this level, but if you look at the pivots, it was really the best one right there. Yeah, just wanted to be below. Just make this bigger. Yeah, below this Camarilla. Yep, which we are. Was, to me, a better entry. All right, so we're going to be bullish only above 1120 for a retracement trade. Let's go to Bed Bath & Beyond. It's in the Beyond section. Yeah, it's definitely going beyond right now. We'll be bullish only above 2250 for a retracement trade. Bear below 22, and we've already collapsed. Yeah, so I sent this notification out as soon as I mapped it out earlier. I know a lot of you trade pre-market. If not, we're going to have to watch the next level, right? Just take it level to level. Let me just look at the pivots. I believe we're below everything for BBBY. Yep, so 2080 is our next level to go short below. And if you missed that, 2050. Okay, let's go to Boeing. Boeing also had earnings. Bullish above 157.50 and bear below 153 for Boeing. UPS been all over the map here. Bullish above 172.62. If we can climb up there. If not, we are bear already below 169. We've already gone down. Yeah, watch this 50 simple moving average. It's going to bounce off that. Sometimes it'll hammer it. Second test, then there's a lot of room down. We are also approaching the 8 EMA on the weekly chart right now, so could find some temporary support. We'll see if it can hold. That is the key. Yeah, if you don't have a weekly chart set up like that, you definitely should put one in. It's amazing. Okay, let's go to GE. Normally, you won't see this on my whisper list. I don't even really love the setup, but it had earnings, so it could be a bigger mover. Bullish above 752. We just went above it. Okay, again, it's a scalping stock. It doesn't move too much, but today it could move a lot. It could push its way up, yeah, to hit the 200 simple moving average. All right, that would be a target. Let's see, bear below 719 if it does turn around. Again, it is a slow mover. FSLR had earnings. Volume is starting to kick in. Bullish above 94, bear below 92, and we just went below the bear below level. All right, watch that 90 level. That's going to be the next major level. And we could have a retracement trade down to these guys. The 200 simple and exponential right here on a 5-minute chart are usually powerful. So watch that to cover your shorts. Carnival had lots of prints yesterday, like tremendous amount of dark pool activity. We're below it, bearish. Only above 1406 would I be bullish. Bear below 1320, and we just went below that. Tesla, after earnings, not doing so great. There is a good trade setup though. Bullish above 425.50, that would be above the pivot, and bear below 412.50 would probably take us down to this lower trend line area. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for October 28th, 2020. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My my secret.